Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday morning. Yesterday I had a little bit of a busy day, but all is good. Yes. Last night I prepared Caribbean beef curry with potatoes over long grain white rice, and I had a roti with that. Rotis technically are not Caribbean, I think, but I wanted some flatbread. It's really good. I didn't really modify or change this recipe, except I did use my custom blend of a Caribbean style curry. It is called out in the recipe. If you need it, let me know. Tonight, we're going to Mother Russia. I am doing a recipe that I discovered from 1871, and the lineage goes to Russia. That's why this is a Russian dish. This is part of the culinary expedition. Beef Stroganoff. This is not your typical beef stroganoff. This is a super simple meal. When you see the ingredient list, which is kind of short, you'll see why. So let's go to Russia. The brazier is out. I got a saucepan for my egg noodles. We're starting off with some steak. The other main ingredient, I think, to this is not the salt, the kosher salt, or the black pepper. It's the allspice. I'll be actually marinating, or basically the allspice and the steak are going to get together hours ahead of time before the actual cooking. So there's the steak, the allspice, butter, flour, Dijon mustard, some stock, and just a little bit of sour cream. That's it. No onions, no garlic, no mushrooms. This is the basic beef stroganoff recipe from 1871. I'll be serving that with some egg noodles and a side veggie to be named later. Probably carrots or peas or a combination. I actually asked my friend Bob Harlan what he would like me to cook, and he suggested beef stroganoff. This is before I discovered this recipe. So this one's for you, Bob. Like I said, this is not our typical. If you look at recipes from that era, they're simple, extremely simple. Just a few ingredients that we have to, over time, we've made them bigger and, I'm not saying better, but definitely bigger. But, so yeah. All right, I'll get off my history soapbox. So, on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking from Mother Russia.